Hi guys, welcome back with new video. I am Salinder. Welcome to my SL DevCode YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to design and implement user registration or sign up form in C#. This is the third video of my C# tutorials and project video series. In last video, I have described how to create login form using C# with SQL database. I am not going to talk more. Let's get start the video. Now I am going to open Visual Studio 2019 and create C# Windows Form application. Go to File and select New Project, and now you have to select C# and create Windows Form application. Now you have to give project name and so after that you have to select a location where you have to install your project. Now you have to design your registration form. You can follow my steps and do it easily. Today I am not going to explain more. In my first video I already explained those basic design parts. Now I will mark required fields. You can put here to two labels. It can rename asterisk marks. It means you can't submit the registration form without completing these two fields. It means your username and password. It is mandatory fields. Now I successfully created my design part. Now I am going to create database for my application. Now I will open SQL Server Management Studio. Now you can give your SQL Server logins and now you right click the database and select new database. Now I will give database name for that. My database name is user registration DB. Now newly created your user database you can see here. Now I am going to create table. Just right click new and select table. Now you can fill your table like this. User ID is a primary key. You have to set primary key. Now I will change identity specification. You have to change it to yes. Now I will save my table. I will give it a name, just TBL user, and save. Now you have to create new procedure. For that, right click on the database and then click on new query. In order to create new procedure, get started like this. If you successfully created this, you have to execute this. Yes, now you can see it's execute. Now your new procedure created successfully. You can see it. If you can't see, you can right click the database and refresh it. Now you can see it. Now back to the Visual Studio, and now you are going to do insert operation of these details to TBL user inside this submit button click event. In order to generate event, we have to double click the submit button. Now you can see submit button click event. Now I will type this same code using system.data.sql client. Okay, now I will declare string variables. String connection string equal. Now you have to paste here your connection string of user registration DB. And very important to remember that now I am going to connect SQL Server database with Visual Studio. Now just click tools and select connect to database. In here you have to select Microsoft SQL Server. Now I will give my server name. If you don't know server name, first you have to go to SQL Server Management and right click the server and go to properties and click view connection properties. Now you can see server name. You can copy it and paste it here and click OK. So I already connected SQL Server with my Visual Studio, so now I am not going to click OK again. After that, go to Server Explorer and select your connected server and right click here and go to properties. Okay, this is your connection string. You can copy this and paste it here. Now I will go to SQL Server and now I don't need ID. This should change, alter and execute the query. Oh, I did mistake. This line should not be there. I'll cut and paste it here. Now inside this submit button click event, we can start with using statement. Now we need to set command type of this object. SQL cmd dot command type equal command type dot store procedure. Now we have to pass parameters value for the store procedure. SQL cmd dot parameters dot add with values. First name, and we will pass parameters from values text box fn. text trim. Trim function we use to remove spaces from both ends. Like this, we have to pass value for 5 parameters. Now execute this query. After insert operation, we have to create new function here, void clear. Function is void clear. So now you can see I have two mandatory fields. Now I am going to add if-else statement for mandatory fields. I have two mandatory fields. Those are username and password. Now you can see the whole code of registration form. Now I will run my code and see the output. Now let me test mandatory field. For that I am going to submit this for without entry any fields. Now you can see, please fill mandatory fields. Okay, now I am going to fill those entry. First name SL DevCode, last name DevCode, contact number, address, username is admin, password is SL DevCode, confirm password and submit. Yes, registration is successfully. Now I am going to check my database. Yes, so here you can see submitted data. Now I successfully created the registration form application using C#. If you have any questions regarding this video, make a comment and ask. And also if you like my videos, click in the like button and share my videos. Finally, I like to say don't forget to click subscribe button to get latest content from my channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys.